Welcome back, folks. Before we get into the machine learning aspect of this series, I want us to take a quick look at PE files because after all, we're going to use PE headers for malware detection. Okay, so what are these PE files? So portable executables or PEs are file formats for XAs, DLLs, DRVs, OCXs, and other types that are used in Windows. So this type of format, the PE format, provides information to the Windows loader on how to manage the executable code wrapped inside. So we have the header with all this information, the DOS header to validate the executable and actually run it in the DOS stub, then the PE header with a lot of information such as the location of the code in memory, the size of the code, and so on. Then we also have the optional header and sections table. And then there are the sections here with the actual code, data, resources, exported directory, imported functions, as well as other executable files. In some PEs, not all of these sections are present. So from a very high level perspective, this is how a PE file can look like. Now, if you're really curious, you can download and use tools such as PE View or PE Explorer to get this type of insight on legitimate Windows files and also on malware samples. However, make sure you do it in a well-isolated environment, such as a virtual machine or a sandbox. Now, in some distant future, I might get into reverse engineering malware and malware analysis on this channel, but we'll see. So, our dataset contains this type of information from legit and malware files. We have 56 features, as we can see here, that define these 138,000 or so samples as being legitimate or malware. We're going to use the simple machine learning algorithms to learn this data and be able to classify a sample as being legitimate or malware. Now, before ending this video, I want to remind you that I'm working on a Python ethical hacking course which will get you through the basics of Python and then teach you how to code Python programs for your cybersecurity assessments and penetration tests. Check the link in the description and put your name on the list of people who will receive the one-time big discount when I release the course. Now, that being said, in the next video, we'll start building a machine learning classifier for this malware dataset. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow geeks. Thank you for watching.